So I thought it'd be a good idea just to show how you can take an updated selfie, headshot or portrait when you can't actually get out under conditions of lockdown to a professional photographer or a studio. You might be at home now thinking about your CV or updating your online website image or your LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook profile, and you realise that it's a bit out of date, or it's a bit old, or it's not taken correctly, and you want to improve upon it. So where you can't actually get out for the moment, there's a couple of tips here that I'm going to show you how to take the best headshot, selfie, portrait whilst you're at home. So the best thing to do is, you've probably only got a mobile phone possibly. So what I'm going to suggest is, number one, don't use the front facing camera. So that's normally used for selfies, but it's basically doesn't take a flattering portrait because they're wide angle lenses, because they've got to be fairly close to you. So what I suggest is any standard up-to-date-ish phone, and use the back camera, because they're better cameras and you can have a little bit more distance away from your subject. So what I'm going to do is also tell you the best place. Now, the best place I suggest is stand near a window light, have the person with the phone not too close, and then the trick is, what we want to do is, using the back camera, we just pose our model by the window, and I'll run through in a moment why that's the best place. And I'm just going to take a headshot now. So just look towards me, give me a nice big smile. There we go. Take a couple. That's perfect. So I'm just going to take the video now and show you what I mean and why it helps to be by the window. So basically we've got the large light source here, and this is bringing light in from the left onto the subject's face. That's lovely, and you can get a nice smile, and it comes from the left or any side, but it comes across the face. So you've got light going into darkness. Now what that does is it contours and produces contrast around all the features, which makes your image stand out much, much more than if you take a photo just in the home under these standard types of lights that we've all got, or lamps. And then it also means that we're a bit less cluttered here. And you may notice that I've raised the curtains up here because I don't want them draping down in the background with a different colour. So we keep it as simple as we can, but the main thing is stay by the light source. So it comes across, that's lovely. Nice light here, into darkness here, and that's producing a nice contrast. Okay, so we've moved to the middle of the room. So you've got sofas, TVs and shelves and the usual stuff. And we've got these lights under here. So we're just going to take a normal photo. There we go. And just look to me, nice smile. Great. Great, okay, that's perfect. So we'll compare at the end the window lights, the standard ceiling lights, if you like, and then also we're going to do a quick professional headshot, and we can compare the three, just so you can see what you get indoors, under normal lights on the ceiling, and also if you could actually get out to a photo studio. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we've got our model in the studio set up at home. Now, obviously you're not going to have all of this, so we're just going to use it as a comparison between the mobile phone shot by the window and the mobile phone shot just under standard ceiling lights in a living room, just to give you a comparison between the three. So here we go. Okay, so if you turn that shoulder, just drop it slightly and then lean forward. That's perfect actually. And just looking straight here, that's lovely. Yeah, nice smile. That's great. Okay, so we'll do a quick edit and then we'll show you all three pictures just as a comparison.